In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Samsung. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on themes. After that, select themes at the bottom left corner and tap on the search bar at the top right one. Now you can type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Magic. From here, select the best theme for you. I will go with this one. Tap on Free at the bottom. Select Agree or Cancel in this pop-up. And after a couple of seconds, hit Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my Samsung has changed. But you can always access exactly the same settings to go back to your default theme. In Galaxy themes though, choose Menu at the bottom right corner. Click on My Stuff next to Wishlist. Click on your default theme and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!